So you need to come back. Kung wala yung pet,
Sita ko din mo
then that should be present na. Or handler, kahit sino, representative. Okay, so parang pwede pa naman ma-address the head, right? So again, the announcement for the darting of the crowd, the blue telephone darting of the crowd will be given or will be announced at between 3 to 4 this afternoon. So keep on texting, and for those who have run out of those, we have the Globe Telecom booth right at the entrance of this convention center. Okay, kung if persistent pa rin yung problema mo na hindi na pwede man-send ang mga messages, kindly visit the Globe Telecom booth, and they will be very, very happy to assist you. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. So right now, we will be announcing okay, so mag-exit muna kita todo. Okay. Okay. No, okay, I'm sorry. You need to stay at the stage. I'm sorry, because we will be, we have just, kanina, we were able to ask the handler together with the tech na mag-model at Arriba ang sachet nila move, no? With the team Pirates. So, mira kita ahora sabi kita na result the best fashion model, no? Okay, dapat el handler or el owner mas si man-announce kita el result, dapat kami na agi. Claro, ha? Claro, one round, just pretend, no? I and rampa. Okay, mag-rampa kita together with nice music to be provided by no less than our friend Doji. Okay, Doji? Okay. Now, announcing the third race. That's alright. Naman para getting the space. Make sure calling your name and your number from down again. Okay. Let's do it very fast. Number 1.
Maybe once also.
Number 3. Number 5. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Okay, yeah. Number 13. Ayan. Napakagaling naman ng moral support itong group na to. Number 13. Number 14. Go, 15. Go, 16. Go, number 17. Number 18. And number 19. What's that? Kintahayaga na. Okay, wild guess? Sene? Okay, pasway na kita. What's the number? Yaga na. Okay? I can hear number 7. I can hear 13. I can hear, what about the rest? Number 4, 12, 7, ayan. O pang, dos veces kayo with 7. Now. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 19. All of them are winners. So let's give them a round of applause. Quien suena? Okay. Announcing, ladies and gentlemen, the third place for the Pet Fashion Model of the Year. Third place goes to entry number 18. Second place is entry number 10. So I have announced the number 18 and number 10. Third place, 18. Second place, number 10. Now, who do you think is this year's Pet Fashion Model? Ano? Louder, come on! Ano? Okay. What's the number? For the number 7, it's you. Okay, into you. Right, I see why. Okay, okay. Number 8, 9. Number 9 go. I see why. And then, di ba? Lahat, okay. Lahat cute. Di ba? Okay. Just like you kids, lahat kayo cute. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, announcing to you this year's Pet Fashion Model, the One Mega Fair Year 10. It's entry number 13. The winner gets to ladies and gentlemen, and thank them for giving us a very, very wonderful show. Thank you very much.
Christmas is just around the corner, and this time the pirates are out to get you. We're back, the biggest and most awaited Christmas event in the city for the past 10 years will happen once again. The Run Nick Fair Year 10 on December 12th, 2007 at the Berkeley Air Conditioning Army Morning Convention Center from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Cash, congratulations.